As a mark of support to the Khnam MLA's protest against the government's apathy to the demands of the party, on Wednesday, members of the Meghalaya Indigenous People's Front (MIPF) had joined in the sit-in demonstration at the MALKI football ground in Shillong. Speaking to newspersons, the president of the MIPF, Ibor Singh Yaupniau, said that their extension of support to North Shillong MLA Adalbert Nongrum is because of his determination to fight for the rights of the people of the state of Meghalaya. The president of the MIPF therefore urged upon all concerned citizens of the state to also extend their support to the lone MLA in his fight towards the welfare and well-being of the indigenous people of the state. It may be reminded that recently, the Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Prastun Tinsong, had termed the protest by Nongrum as a political drama. On this matter, the president of the MIPF said that this comment is childish since the issues that the Khnam party has been demanding resolution for need to be addressed at the earliest.
Ngamtip ba I tay ba adalbat I liya politik sa kanong rukom nri ka ba pao siya kadar kalong ko ba nakaliang jungi kung ki sang mahalang ki betre na mata ka baha kamian jong ka chai bendri jong ka state jungi hang ni kalong ba ngi iba ile ka badai lag bidai tam ka dehlor kani kanong rim ka ba nakaliang jong ka sang jungi ngiwan hang ni hakmat jong fi ba pinya pentim ba nakaliang jong ka Meghalaya Indigenous People Front ka MIPF hang ni ngiwan ban ai jing kersian ka barat ba ye iba adalbat bat bang ada kerpat juru ya kipait ba nang ta kumju ki parasang bahalang kiba saya ya kadang barobor ki isu kabayadai bat kimat jingdawa ki badan khmat jongki ki badai ki ju ki jingdawa le se kinyawan ban ai lang ka tiga kamon tiga diang ka jingkersian ibadal ban khnang baka sarkar kan peskor ngam suthu ya ka ei ka ba u deputy chief minister jungi ukran ni ki kiten khlung khna ka ba le si numdon ki ban pediang komita kentien.
One of the active protesters during the state's 25th year celebration, Tarsus Maulot, had also lent his support to Nongrum through his presence at the sit-in protest at the MALKI football ground, Shillong. Tarsus Maulot had earlier been instrumental in the fight for the update to the reservation policy of the state of Meghalaya, which currently is one of the important demands of the Khnam party.
Kaya katuka por ka dan sakwe pat ka issue ka ba ngingim sohun ni katuka reservation policy. Kaba saupau yo kasi saupau jantia arpau yo garo. Ko saupau kasi jantia saupau garo but arpau yo kibepat. Nang ta sakwe ka long ka jingbom don ka state lani ka jala ya put sam batikna. Ki issue kila nang mi kambon siso. Ngili bon ki jing employment problem kane kade ka balasa teng daki pau snem menswa. Mendai tangkali ke sarkar ke bamanta ke baya kenduk jing kumno ban tau ki an ban wengi kini ki jing jong state nri ke bangamut ban ongkolong ba ngidon riu pungut ki nomi khmat ki badai ki khot jong kodor ba tau an lada kini kin riu pungut ki sna ki wanra ka wei ka idea man ke snem tang ka wei ngam ong sibon ki wara tang ka wei ka idea man ke snem kamut ha ka sisnem ngin jendalayo riu potuli ki an ha ka san posnem ngin yo lai hajar tuli ki an tenri kum bakalong hadu menta ngimdon ke no ka an ke basingan ye kari ke ngila klalong ki nongwei hala ke jongkari ka kalau ngila klalong ki brio ki barit pan hala ke jongkari haba khain ya ka population jong Shillong na ka arpo khandai lak ka population jong Shillong ngidon tang khandai lak ki khasi arpo lak ki dei ki weipat ki jai banri te sa ei ngin perkhat bangin he ngin san lan ngin syong ngin sa hakisngi hakisnem ki bangun hoi ngim persya ya ke jing rakhe namar wei bangila yo ya ke state ngidon ya ka iki historical records mo ba ya ke state jungi la ai ha ka arfu iter kunai January jong snam khatn rai spanyu fu ar habala khayu khon ngide ban rakhe ke jing dap snam khon nrai rangkat ngi haban hikayu khon kumno ban he kumno ban san ngi haban ai ki ba bhai ki khon jungi ndai bangin sura khe dap snam klem da ai ki khon jungi tekam don jingmut ban ong bangin rakhe ke jing dap san pos nam jong khon jungi ladau khon jungi tang ban tho ar umpat nang tang ban phong ka jan kene per umpat nang tang ban khot mai khot par umpat nang te kata ka de ka jing sngo sa not jungi ya kene ka karta jong ka jela